Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. Good evening everyone. Shivai, Sadhya, Harshika, Karthik, Dhoru. Please open your camera also. Sadhya, open your camera and tell me that my voice is coming or not. Sadhya, where are you? Sadhya, are you there? Shivai, open your camera, Shivai. Hello, Dhruv. Dhruv. Hi, Dhruv. Harshika, my voice is enabled or not? Arif, I am asking to everyone, please say something now.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir.
Okay,
Sir,
Harshika. Sadhya and Dhruv, I think 10 times I recall the name Dhruv Sadhya, they didn't any response to me. So bad. Okay, so Harshika, what we did in the last class? Harshika, what we did in the last class? Are you sorry?
Sir, are you asking me?
Okay. So please write down the heading today's topic, natural calamities. Natural calamities.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, please do not use the mic for the finish. Okay, so this is our today topic, natural calamities. What do you mean by natural calamity? First of all, I want to ask from Tane. Tane. Tane.
Good evening, sir. I don't know.
Good evening. Tane,
Good
what do you
evening.
mean by
Tane, what do you mean by natural gas? Sir, I don't know.
next? Tane, off the mic. Next, Shivai.
Sir, flood, earthquake,
Yes, Shivai.
Flood, earthquake.
Shivai, I'm not asking about the example. I'm asking what do you mean? Next one, Dhurv.
Sir, natural calamities are disasters which are naturally coming each second. For example, like earthquakes, tornadoes, volcano eruptions.
Okay, good.
Okay, good.
Harshika, try it.
Sir, are you asking me?
Yes, Harshika G.
Sir, I want to tell about this.
Sorry.
I want to tell about this.
Harshika G, I'm asking to you, what do you mean by natural calamities?
Sir, I don't know.
Don't know? Okay. Okay. So in my class today is the, I think, one new student is there, right? The name of the student is the Pavitran. Hi, Pavitran. Good evening, Pavitran, and welcome in my GKGS class.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Pavitran, today we will do a natural calamity topic. Okay, if you have any doubt, any question, so you can raise the hand, yellow hand. Otherwise, you can also write down in chat box also. Okay, so what is the natural calamities or what is the meaning of natural disaster? Pavitran, please off the mic. Pavitran, off the mic. Yes. So a sudden event that cause large scale damage to life or a property, this is meaning the natural calamity. Okay, what is the natural calamity? A sudden event that cause the large scale damage or a life or a property. That's calamities. Disaster are the two types, man-made and natural. Natural disaster means produced by natural force. Okay, like flood, earthquake, volcano, cyclone, and man-made disaster caused by the activities of the human beings like a fire, building, collapse, road accident, etc. Please write down only first point. Okay, so this is the definition. Please write down only first point. This one. Please write down in your notebook first.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Finish, sir.
Good evening. Why are you coming so late today?
Finish, sir.
Do not use the mic if you have finished. Just wait for the another students also. Okay, I think all have finished. You know that because some students writing speed is so fast, some students writing speed so slow. That's why I will give the enough time for the writing. Okay, so this is the definition of a natural disaster. Disaster are the two types: man-made disaster and a natural disaster. Okay, so but we study only natural disaster because in your syllabus there is the topic only natural disaster. Okay, I will give 30 seconds to all of you. Please read all the pictures.
Sir, we light down.
Do not write. I will give the time only for reading.
Okay, sir.
Time up. Okay, so they all are the example of a natural disaster. Tornado, flood, storm, natural wildfire, earthquake, drought, tsunami, landslide, typhoon, volcano, ice storm, and sinkhole. So we study one by one all. First, please do not write. I will give enough time for the writing to all of you. Please do not write. And those students who have off the camera, please open the camera. Like Kirti, Kartike, Kartik, Ram Shaurya, open your camera.
Sir, it's not, I can't able to on the camera like.
Yes, Kartik, I know that you're always same excuse. Okay, rest of the students, please open the camera. Sadhya and Shivai. What are you writing? Sadhya and Shivai,
Sir,
I'm asking a question. What are you writing?
nothing.
Sadhya, I told you now,
Yes, sir.
please do not write. So why are you not obeying my rules? Sadhya and Shivai, do whatever you want. Okay, go. And please don't ask me any question. Sadhya and Shivai. Okay. Next three classes, I'm not responding to you. If you are not obeying my rules, so I'm also not obliged, right? Okay. So all the students, Sadhya and Shiva, you are not, you are boycott from the class from me. Okay. So please don't ask me any question. So first one is the earthquake. So what is the meaning of earthquake? First of all, earthquake is that sudden trembling or a shaking of earthquakes. Okay, like that. Okay, like that. It means this is the earthquake. Okay, in my class, how many students feel the earthquake? Anyone? How many students have feel the real earthquake? Nobody. No one. Okay. So, earthquake deep in the earth crust, where an earthquake originates, it called the focus, okay, or the hypocenter of the earthquake, right? So, this is the earthquake. Earth epicenter is on surface of the earth directly above the focus. Okay, I will explain. Just wait. First of all, Richter scale. What is the Richter scale? Earthquake major intensity of the on the Richter scale. Okay, when we measure the intensity of the earthquake, this is called the Richter scale. What is the seismograph? Seismograph, it is an instrument used to measure earthquake wave. Okay, seismograph, it is an instrument to use the measure of earthquake wave. And what is a seismology? Seismology means scientific study of a earthquake. When we study about the earthquake, so it's called a seismology. Shivai, your mic is open. Shivai, please off the mic. Otherwise, I will remove from my class. Shivai, off the mic, Shivai.
Hello, sir. I'm his mother. He's not
Okay,
writing
okay,
anything.
okay, okay, ma'am. I read your chat from the chat box. I read your chat. Okay, done. So seismology, it is the scientific study. Clear? So here it is the picture of an earthquake. And this is the picture of a seismograph. You know, seismograph to record the how destructive earthquake are going on. Okay, if on the Richter scale there is the above 7, please mind it, above 7. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, there is the 10 numbering. If in the seismograph there is the above 7 is marking, it means earthquake is so destructive. Okay, so this is the seismograph and this is the picture of the when the earthquake are occurred. Okay, another picture also. Done. So from the earthquake are originate, the originate point of an earthquake is called a focus. This point is known as focus. Okay, above the focus point there is the epicenter. Clear? What is the epicenter? What is the focus? The origin of the earthquake is known as the focus point. Above the focus there is the epicenter. Okay, here it is the writing also. Epicenter is on surface of the earth directly above focus. And what is the focus? Deep in earth crust where on earthquake originate is called the focus. Clear? Now I will give to the 2 minutes for each slide. You can write down. If anyone is not understood any point, so you can ask me.
Sir, we have to write both.
Yes, yes, both. All the points.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I did not understand the second point, sir.
Second point, focus point. Pavitran, which point?
Second point, sir.
Second, just wait. First of all, you can write it there.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
If anyone is left, please open your mic and tell me that no, sir. Please write down all the points. Epicenter, Richter scale, seismograph, and seismology.
Sir, we like this point also.
Okay, yes, all the points.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now done to all of you. Anyone is left?
Sir, I not do.
Okay, Ashika.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we have to write fully.
Yes, you
Sir,
have right to own. Yes.
sir, how is epicenter related to earthquake?
Sadhya, you are asking.
Sorry, sir, I was not writing anything.
Sadhya, really?
Yes, sir.
I don't think so. Okay. So I am again explain Pavitran and Sadhya, where the point, the earthquake are originate of the mic, na? Where the originate of the earth and the where is the originate point of the earthquake, it is known as the focus. Above the focus, there is the epicenter. Okay, the epicenter is the above the focus. Okay, so first of complete. Next, second natural disaster is the flood. What is the flood? When overflow of a river water beyond its normal level on the land area. Okay, I know that there is some spelling mistake. Riser, there is the river, R-I-V-E-R. Okay, when the overflow of the river water beyond its the normal level, it is called a flood. Okay, you saw in this figure. In this picture, there is the river. Okay, this is the river, but the river are overflow and the all water are merged up into the village and all the society are submerged into the water. So this is known as the flood. Please do not write, this is not so important. Okay, what are the reason of a flood? So first, overflow of river, melting of a lot of snow, strong tide, cyclone, tsunami and dam failure, they all are the region of the flood. You saw in this picture also, yes, this is the flood affected area. Okay, this is the dam failure, when the dam are the break or a dam failure, so the region of a flood. Okay, flood prone area in India, which area are known as the flood prone area in the India? So Indo-Gangetic and Brahmaputra river. You know about the Ganga river and the Brahmaputra river. Ganga is the longest river in India and Brahmaputra is the largest river in India. So both are the region for the flood prone area. Okay, so Damodar river, you know about the Damodar river? Damodar river is known as the sorrow of Bengal and Kosi river is known as the sorrow of Bihar. These 2 points too much important for your examination point of view. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? Kosi. You know why sorrow means? What is the meaning of sorrow? Anyone?
Sir, sad,
Sorry.
sad.
Yes, sad. Very good. Sorrow means sad. Kosi river is known as the sadness of a Bihar. You know why? Because Kosi, in the Bihar, the flood region is the Kosi river. In the Bengal, flood region is the Damodar river. Okay. Please write down last 2 points. Only last two. This one and this one. Only 2 points is important in the flood. And put a star mark.
Finish, sir.
If you finish your writing, please do not use the mic. Wait for the other students also write
Sir, I not
and learn also. Okay, done. If anyone is left, so open the mic and tell me. Nobody? Okay. So this is the flood. Okay, second natural disaster. So how to control the flood? Afforestation. Afforestation means by growing more tree, building dam and reservoirs, building man-made channels to divert water, flooding. Okay, next one is the tsunami. Tsunami. Okay, tsunami word is derived from a Japanese word. Okay, tsunami is the Japanese word. This means a harbor wave, means a great wave. Series of a giant waves generated by the earthquake or a volcanic eruptions under the sea. Okay, if under the sea there is the volcanic eruptions or a earthquake, it means it is called a tsunami. Okay, so this is the picture of a tsunami. You saw that there is the car. Okay, there's the car. So you imagine how destructive is the tsunami. Okay, please write down only one thing about the tsunami. In 2004, India affected by tsunami. 2004, India affected by tsunami. That's it.
Sir, we say once more, I not understand.
Sorry,
You say once more, I not understand.
your name?
Hashika.
Harshika B. Harshika G. Harshika, when the earthquake. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Harshika, when the earthquake under the sea, it is called tsunami. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, done, 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 done. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one is the drought. What is the drought? Drought means long period of insufficient or no rainfall in an area. This situation is called a drought. Okay. What is the reason of the drought? The reason of the drought is the deforestation, soil erosion, excessive use of a surface and a groundwater are some of the major factors responsible for the drought. They are the major factor of drought. It is not so important for writing. Okay, so this is the picture of a drought. There is the no water. There is the scarcity of a water. Okay, this picture also shows that the land is required to rain, and in this picture you saw that some animals are also died due to the thirst, okay, due to the water. Clear? So this is the situation, it's called the drought. Next one, cyclone. Yes, cyclone, it is a type of a storm of a large air mass rotate around the center of atmospheric pressure like that. Okay, if cyclone are landed into the land, it is known as the tornado. If cyclone are landed into the water, it is known as the cyclone. Okay, so what is the cyclone? This is the cyclone when the large air mass are round and round are land in the water. So this is the cyclone. Okay, how many students do that such types of activity when we take a bath in the bucket? We put your hand in the bucket and something like that. How many students do that? Anyone? Nobody? One, two, three, four. Okay, it means you create a little bit cyclone in your bucket, right? But imagine if all if whole oceans or a sea are something like that, so it means it is a natural disaster. Okay, so this is the cyclone, and this is the tornado. When the large air mass are landed on the land, tornado landed on the sea, it is called the cyclone. Okay, so this is the picture. And you know that cyclone, another region is name is the different. Australia says that about the cyclone, willy willy. China said that typhoons. Japan said that typhoon. And Indian Ocean said that cyclone. And Caribbean Sea, it means USA people said that hurricane. Okay. Please write down, this is important. Done. Learn also.
Sir, what is the last one?
Last one is the Caribbean Sea hurricane. Caribbean Sea, it is the place of the USA. The USA people said that about the cyclone, they said that hurricane word used. Okay, they use the word hurricane. Indian, we are used cyclone. Japan, typhoon. Okay,
Okay, sir.
done na. So we will stop this topic at here. Now I will take poll test. Okay, are you ready for the poll? All of you ready na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
അങ്ങനെ ഒന്നും പറയണ്ട. അത് നേരെ ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്ന നേരെ സാർ ഇടുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ എന്താ നോക്കുക.
Are please off the mic. Who's that? Okay, so this is my first question. Okay, so I received the answer. Sadhya, Tane, and Dhurv. 9 students gave the right answer. Good. So, not an example of a natural disaster is the industrial accident. Industrial accident is the not example of a natural disaster. Okay, so this is the right answer. Next question. Okay, so Tanay, Sadhya, and Dhruv, first, second, third. Only one student gave the wrong answer, and all students gave the right answer. Very good. I think you all know that. An intense shaking of the earth's surface that often causes a lot of a damage is known as earthquake. Okay, so this is the right answer. Okay, next one. Okay, so Tanay, Dhruv, and Sadhya. First, second, third. Good. Only six students gave the right answer. Okay, so the lower crust from the earthquake is origin. Originate point of the earthquake. Six students gave the right answer. Sadhya, Tanay, Dhruv, Covid, Kirti, and Shivai. Okay, good. Focus. Focus is the right answer. Okay, focus point. Next, above the focus, the point is known as okay. So Sadhya, Tanay, Dhruv. Okay, you got the first, second, third position. Eight students gave the right answer. Yes, the right answer is the epicenter. Okay, epicenter is the point of surface of the earth. Next, Sadhya, you first, Tanay second, Dhruv third. Nine students gave the right answer. Okay. Above 7 on Richter scale can cause severe damage caused by an earthquake. Okay. And this is the last question of today class. Sadhya, Tane, and Dhruv. 7 students gave the right answer. Very good. Okay, so good. This is the end up of the class. We will meet soon again in the next class. Bye bye, everyone. Good night. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.